Get off. I was a young warthog. Clean your poop off of my hand. So, trying to figure out a spot that I want to fish. And I was gonna look at a few. I came to a normal spot that I carp fish, but with the flooding, I thought it wouldn't be so great. However, I walked down here and instantly saw carp rolling on the top. See, there was one there. So let's get our gear. Let's head down. Let's get set up. I got like 2 hours before I pick up kids. We're gonna have some mama fun. Just saw a ton of boils like in this area. So I'm gonna recast this thinner. Everywhere. I literally have to come back here with trash bags because it's so bad. I can't believe people make it this bad. And then banks get shut down because there's so much trash because we don't know how to clean up after ourselves because we are the filthiest freaking animal of all. But I did recast that up closer to the bank in hopes we can get any sort of something today. We'll see. We got one, we got one. Oh, I was right on that spot. Oh my gosh, he's mean too. I don't want to tighten down too much drag because I don't want to lose him. But everything's changed since the flood, so I have no idea what snags are under there. Man. That flexor. Oh, oh not. He's a feisty one. I haven't landed a fish yet either since the flood. Come on, did it? Woo! We're still working on getting our third rod out. And we got our first booster. Oh. And I didn't even have to go get in the sit for it. That's kind of cool. But man, he is a chunker. I don't have my scale down here yet, so we're just gonna set him free. But I love these things. Woo! Get off. All right, let's go let him loose. How mad are you? We're gonna find out. Bye, baby. I got my test cam. I forgot the scale. I'll go back and get it later, but we'll go ahead and get our third rod out and get a worm rod. See what we can catch out of this little creek. All right, we have corn, worm. We'll see what happens. to get a bobber out too, but we'll see how it goes. That dude he's freaking booking it. Cow. See something right there. I don't know what it is though. It doesn't look like a gar. Oh, there he is. Is it a card? Seems we have a bit of rain coming in. But who knows? That might even turn on the fish. Alright, you guys, that rain stopped and it got hot as heck and humid as heck outside. So, honestly, and of course now there's like all these splashing, but with one fish, honestly, I'm hot, I'm tired. I gotta go pick up kids, but I'm thinking we're gonna regroup, rest, get kids, and pick up Tiffany, and then hit another spot this evening when it cools down a bit. Stay tuned. Picking up the gremlins from school.
Hey, that's not very nice.
Let's go fishing.
I have demon
We're going
tonight.
fishing?
I can't go fishing.
Cool. Where are we going fishing at?
No. How are you supposed to catch a fish like that?
Ice cream.
You're gonna be on a sugar high.
Ice cream.
Round 2 with TNA fishing.
What's up?
I can't get too rowdy because we got little one. Okay, we hope we're at a better spot, but Tiff's over there with her new meat hammer out, and then tiny pole. Mars somewhere over in the distance. He had to go poop. So hopefully his rods don't get attacked. And then I just have a little wormy here, but we're gonna pretty much follow the shade and see if we can get anything to bite down yonder. Oh, Mar. Did you bury it? Okay, good. Ah! Okay. Oh. Myself in the butt because I just missed Tiffany catching a drum on that tiny little rod. I need you to recreate it, please. Please. Like the super tiny. Oh, it's a drum. Yes. Drummy. Oh, what? It was? Yeah. Now I'm jealous.
I'll show you a picture.
Okay, let's compare your picture.
I see what your drum looks like. I know what a real fish looks like.
Okay, so here is... Oh, he pooped on me.
Oh yeah, that's
So here is my... Ah! Oh! Ah! All your chips. And...
well, let's make
yeah. So that is a carp. And that is a... it's okay. I didn't know what a smallmouth bass was yesterday.
Not.
But they're similar.
Winner. Yeah, mine is definitely fun.
Fish dinner. Except for I'm not eating, you.
Kisses.
Tiffany.
I love it.
When I was a young warthog.
Every time. Every time.
Don't ask me to. Alright, guys. Hopefully I'm gonna drop you too much. Oh no, but okay, bye. Yummy. Clean your poop off of my hand. Pretty sure that one has something to do with that fluff of marshmallows floating by. Hi, what are you? Whoa! What are you doing?
My inner spiritual animal.
Your inner spiritual animal. I see that nice thing of marshmallows that you left. Oh, these snaggies.
Oh, he took you into that snag.
There's a snag.
Because there's a snag down there. That's why I cast it above it.
There's a snag.
Here, you want me to try to get it out?
This is what we call Redneck Baywatch. There might be a fish. Hurry, Fred, hurry! Oh, she stopped.